Good morning, Todd from Walnut Ridge Service Department. It is Friday, Video Friday. We do a service video every Friday. Informational videos, usually some minor troubleshooting things to try, keep you from having to bring it in for something minor, recalibrating jacks and that. Today, I'm going to touch base on maintenance. Obviously, last video or two spoke about our August service specials, so that's why I'm tying this into this. This unit right here, it is in process. I had the technician step away for a few minutes. He is in process of building a new floor. Well, he's actually got it already built, but this was from water intrusion on their slide floor on their outside kitchen. So he's got it braced up. So obviously the slide out floor, he's already got it taken out. He's got all the wiring unhooked for the power to the slides. Luckily, the way the factory ran the main LP line coming up to this pull-out outside grill, he did not have to remove that. They tucked it along the frame rail. Typically, we have to uninstall that as well, but this is 100% just due to lack of maintenance. So their slide fascia, it is off. They are off underneath the camper, but their floor line rail, which goes here on the corners of the slide outs, water had been getting in and just pooling back in the slide out floor, caused a lot of damage. By the time the customer saw this, it was too late, so they brought it into us. So obviously we are getting this taken care of for the customers. I'm going to step up front here and show you the old slide out floor, the damage. So this is the old slide out floor. I had already peeled this back just to show you the damage on this. I can probably, if I pushed hard enough, I could probably push my finger right through that. Obviously there's mold on this. And this is not a huge slide out floor because it's in an outside kitchen, but this is a couple $1,000s worth of repair, just the labor to R&I, which is remove and install everything to be able to get to remove this slide out floor. Then we obviously got the new slide out floor. He's already got it built, got the carpet up on there. Obviously we will clean the carpet just from due to the water damage. We can't get that exact carpet. Once they get several years old, we just can't match up that carpet. So we'll get that all cleaned for the customer. So again, cannot stress enough on maintenance, checking your sealants. I mean, this is just clear silicone, same as on that slide out. The exterior of this coach on the sidewalls is all just 100% clear silicone. You can purchase it from us through a retail store. You can get it at Lowe's. You can get it at Menards, Gilman's, Ace Hard, any hard, Amazon. Caulk gun, tube, clean the area, reseal, spot seal areas that you see sealant gaps. So that's what caused this, was just there wasn't any sealant there. It didn't get checked until the customer noticed the damage, and then by that time it was just too late. So just can't stress it enough, folks. Just check your sealants. They want you to check them every 90 days. Factory does, us as well here at the service department. I mean, things happen. You're pulling a small house around on the wonderful roads that we have throughout, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky. They're all about the same. You're hitting potholes, chuck holes. I mean, they're doing a lot of construction. So you just got to be mindful of that, and just this unit's flex as they go down the road, and your sealants are gonna, the walls are gonna flex. It's gonna cause gaps in the sealant. You just need to stay on top of it and check these things out just to ensure something like this doesn't happen. You spend $15, $20 on a caulk gun and some caulk, you could get this sealed up, taken care of. Obviously now you're looking at thousands of dollars to repair this. So I hope this helps everybody, and have a great weekend.